program is designed to transform students into industry-ready hospitality managers. You will experience a combination of expertise brought by leaders from each field, management and hospitality. We capitalize on our school's expertise, management from IEM Lyon and hospitality from Institut Life.
Beyond technical knowledge, we focus on soft skills, emotional intelligence and innovation, ensuring you are prepared for tomorrow's hospitality landscape. Tech-driven, sustainable and design-focused. Essentially, it's not just learning about hospitality, it's living it, globally and strategically. This programme is built around experiential learning and industry immersion. Students don't just study hospitality, they engage with real-world projects, analyse operational strategies and learn from leaders shaping the global industry.
The program integrates interdisciplinary perspectives combining management, design, technology and sustainability, so that by graduation students have both applied knowledge and the strategic mindset needed to lead in a fast-moving sector.
Skills like leadership and emotional intelligence, managing teams, providing service with empathy, and making decisions under pressure.
Global adaptability, working across cultures, understanding international hospitality trends, and building network worldwide. Problem solving and innovation, tackling real-life industry challenges, integrating technology, and thinking creatively.
The part of the year I look forward to most is the study abroad period. For the last 4 years we've studied at UNLV in Las Vegas. It's an immersive experience where we explore the integrated resorts landscape, attend specialised classes and engage in self-directed learning projects. It's a unique opportunity to connect theory with practice and see hospitality innovation in action. Students gain insights that truly shape our understanding of the global industry. For me, it's always a real highlight of the programme. Applied. Learning happens through projects, through industry exposure and experiential engagement. Global. With international seminars, field trips and a multicultural campus experience.
Future ready. Preparing students to lead in a tech-driven, technology-intelligent, sustainable industry.